Hey, good evening, everybody. SkyTrack 13 meteorologist Sean Ash. A little update here before the 11 o'clock show. If you haven't heard, we did have some sightings of funnel clouds across central Indiana today. This is from Kevin Evans, taken by his mother off of 300 North in Frankfort. And the sighting was between Frankfort and Rossville. And there was another sighting as well, actually multiple, but these were a couple of postings on the Facebook page, Channel 13 Facebook page, up in Clinton County. They were harmless. You can see how weak they were, very, very thin funnels that typically in this kind of situation form with showers, not the type of thunderstorms that produce tornadoes that will last for a while. And these things don't typically diminish pretty quickly. So, but if you didn't hear about it, that's what happened a little earlier. Just enough little low-level vorticity to create those. A beautiful, beautiful sunset captured from our Kokomo WeatherBug camera after a little brief downpour they had up there in Howard County. And you can see this is how we finished off Monday. Some rain amounts, and a lot of this was from the early morning. Look at Bloomington, Shelbyville, Richmond, over an inch of rain, 3/10 here in Indianapolis, and a half an inch up in Kokomo as well as Peru. Now, as we go through the evening, these little stray showers should begin to continue to weaken. And then as we get into the morning hours, just a slight chance, I think, that we're going to have something passing through this northwest flow. And then as we wake up in the morning, we'll talk about some pockets of drizzle and a little bit of fog. So that's kind of the story Tuesday morning. And then I think we are going to see some storms flaring up with the afternoon heating here. And a few of those might pack a punch, okay? So maybe around midday into early afternoon, and then as the disturbance moves to the east, becomes very more hit and miss. So the idea here is that it's not a washout tomorrow, and even the finish, I think, is going to be similar to today. So if you've got outdoor plans, I think you might be all right. We're going to go ahead and keep Wednesday and Thursday dry for right now. There's still a little uncertainty on how things are going to set up later in the week here, but this is the latest run of FutureTrack 13, and it does at least project that the boundary that's responsible for the storm action is going to be to our south, and there's going to be a high pressure system over the Great Lakes. Now, the question mark regarding how the weekend is going to play out, is this front going to stay south of us, or is there going to be a disturbance, kind of buckle it back to the north and squeeze out some storms, and where will it end up after Friday storms, or do we even get Friday storms? So what I'm trying to say is that the end of the week forecast we have low confidence on at this point in time. Okay, so we're going to go mostly dry Wednesday, mostly dry Thursday, but if that disturbance goes a little farther north, we're going to have to introduce storm chances back in play. I've kind of opted to go with the European solution for Friday, and I've split the difference for the weekend. I'm going to keep in an isolated storm chance Saturday and Sunday, but I will tell you the American model is dry both Saturday and Sunday. The European does have a little bit of a chance of a shower storm. This is going to change. I'm going to tell you that right now. But we'll throw it out there. July 4th, if you're making plans, sunset is at 9:16. And if we do see storm action, and it should be isolated, although that could change, it should be gone by fireworks. We don't anticipate all-day rains either Saturday or Sunday. We will certainly continue to update that forecast as we get new information in. Hope you have a great night. Chuck Lofton, Nicole Masinzik will be with you in the morning. I'm back tomorrow evening. All right, take care.